It's November 13th, 2014. In order for us to get over there, we have to cross this log right now because of the rain. This creek is filled up. And this was not here on Tuesday. I take this as a clear sign to us that we are not welcome over there. This tree has been broken off from up there. Look at that gorgeous healthy wood. It's been busted into multiple pieces. There's a large piece under there, it goes under the log. Piece there, piece there. All of these branches have been busted off as well. None of them were in here. None of them. This is a mess. This area looked just like the rest of it on Tuesday, which is the last day I came. This is a large tree though.
Yeah.
Were they just throwing one of those big metal pieces?
I don't know.